Hello, today you guys, it's gonna be a little bit of a late video for this, but here's my butterfly knife that I got for Christmas, and I wanted to kind of show it off, because my other two videos are mainly about Lego butterfly knives, so I finally actually got a real one. It's really cool. It's an actual comb one, and it's really nice. It's already kind of hingy, rusty, a little bit, see there? Yeah, it's really cool. My sister got it like I think for $3 on eBay or Wish. It's really nice. It was amazing when I first got it. Nice. It was kind of flimsy because the hinges were brand new. Metal bit there, metal bit here, all metal. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some tricks. Sorry for my mess. The average opening and closing. I could do it really fast and fast. So yeah, nice black to give you guys a close-up of it. So yeah, like and subscribe, you guys, please. And yeah, see you guys later. Sorry, this video is short too. Not much to record lately. Sorry. Bye.